Hello guys, so today we are going to know how you can use GitHub action for creating multiple instances at once, how hackers uses 20 instances at once for crypto mining. So let's go. Before moving forward, please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button, bell icon. Thank you. So that's a GitHub account. I am going to create a repository. Let's name it to subscribe it. So it's public. Yes, subscribe it. Now add readme file, create repository. So this is our basic UI. So let's go for action. Click on action. So set up this workflow. So that is the simple workflow. So let's rename whatever you want to rename it. You can write whatever. So jobs runs on Ubuntu. You can change it to any machine like Windows. So that is a single line command. So I'm going to write free.h for a CPU information, for a memory information, how much memory is free in this machine. And multi-line comments, I am going to add a simple echo a message print develop with Nitin message. So it's a simple one CPU instance. So start commit new file. So go for action. So click on CL. What's your workflow name? Click on run workflow and click on create. So for a progress you can click on build. So starting job, एक ऑनलाइन इंस्टेंस मिल चुका है हमें. So you can see our free.h is running perfectly. So now go for a second multi-line command. Multi-line command I print develop with Nitin and other also messages. So that is for a single instance. Now we are going to create a multiple instance. So like 20 instance at once. So one instance having a 2 cores, it means 40 cores at once. So that is our basic workflow. Runs on Ubuntu latest. Yes. So now we are going to test our code. So whatever your software you want to test, or simply I am going to write test. So name it whatever you want to name. I am going to name it to subscribe it. So runs on Ubuntu latest. Yes. So make sure it's in a proper indentation. So okay, subscribe it, space रह गया था. Now let's delete all this strategy. So strategy, so we have to write the value cannot be null. So fill fast false. Now matrix we are going to create a matrix. So runner name and having values 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 20. So we are going to run 20 instance. So we have to return their name 20 up to 20. So now close it. So runner is not in a proper indentation, so let's give them a space. Okay, now it's okay. So now it's time for running our program. So simply you have to write steps space run. So it's a multi-line command. You can simply use a single line command also. So simply we are going to write echo develop with Nitin. So you can simply run whatever you want to run in a multiple command also. So make sure you have a proper indentation. all the errors. Now it's time for run. सो अब हम रन करने जा रहे हैं, कमिट द चेंजेस. सो एक साथ हम 20 CPUs में 20 इंस्टेंसेस में अपना जो है प्रोग्राम रन करेंगे. आप चाहे तो कोई भी प्रोग्राम अपना जो टेस्ट करना चाहते हो कि कैसा चलेगा तो आप वो रन कर सकते हो. सो एज यू कैन सी 20 jobs are established having matrix name 0 1 2 3 is whatever I have written. So name is subscribe it. So let's click on first one. Now job completed. So check the what is so job completed. You can see develop with Nitin is printed. Simple, so easy to run so 20 instances at once. So 20 jobs are still running. It takes some time for running. So once started run. Now I'm going to show you how hackers misuse the GitHub action. So let's go for new tab. I have a malicious code. As you can see, that is the code. So you can see he runs this command and normally you can't understand what is that. So it is a base 64 encoded. So let's decrypt it. What is in that? So इसमें क्या है हम देखने चलते हैं. Simply type base 64 decode. So simply paste it and you can see lots of command here. Here is the code, all the code you can see. Now you can see timeout here. Timeout is 4 hours. So the program is running up to 4 hours at once, in a single instance, and that is a binary file. Let's see what is in that. I think it let's see what in there. Okay, paste it. So it is banned from the GitHub. So binary is not here. So let's go and you can see he gives the permission for execution the binary files and timeout up to 4 hours. So it's a simple /program command and pool address is IP. Chris1net is the username and password is explaining computers. So that's all for today and thank you for watching.